In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to find transactions in QuickBooks Online quickly and accurately. Searching for specific financial information can sometimes feel overwhelming, but QuickBooks gives you powerful tools that make the process simple. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly where to look and how to locate any transaction with confidence. To get started, open your web browser and head to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page, click the sign-in button, then choose QuickBooks Online from the list of products. Enter your username and password carefully to avoid any errors, and once everything looks correct, click Continue. This will bring you straight to your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a magnifying glass icon, which serves as the main search tool in QuickBooks. Go ahead and click on it. This search box allows you to pull up recent transactions quickly, but it also gives you access to more advanced search tools when you need precise results. At the bottom of the search box, you'll notice a link called Advanced Transaction Search. This feature is extremely helpful, especially when your books contain many entries or when you need to narrow down your search by very specific criteria. Click on this link to open the advanced search panel. Now you're in the area where you can take full control of your search. Here you can filter transactions by date, amount, transaction type, customer name, vendor name, and more. For example, if you're trying to find a single invoice from last quarter, you can select the invoice type, choose the exact date range, and even search by amount if you remember the total. If you're reviewing your expenses, you can filter by vendor or category to see all related transactions in seconds. These filters work together to help you pinpoint exactly what you need without scrolling through long lists or guessing where a transaction might be. Whether you're doing monthly bookkeeping, reviewing spending for tax season, or tracking down a specific payment, the advanced search tool ensures you get accurate results every time. And that's all there is to it. Once you know where to navigate, finding any transaction in QuickBooks Online becomes a smooth and efficient process. This skill not only saves time, but also helps you maintain clear and organized financial records, giving you better visibility into your business. I hope this walkthrough helped simplify the process for you. If you'd like more QuickBooks tutorials or run into questions along the way, feel free to reach out in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.